Hello, I'm Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia. And today I am in Henry County in the city of Locust Grove, visiting a beautiful neighborhood. It's a DRB Homes community called Flakes Mill. And the wind is blowing. It's such beautiful weather here in Georgia today. You should be here right now. But anyhow, this home behind me is not a model home. It's not decorated, but it's a home that is for sale. It's the Rainier floor plan. So we're going to go inside and have a look and see what all the fuss is about. Let's go. Welcome to Flakes Mill, a DRB Homes community. Flakes Mill is a quaint community with 48 home sites. It offers large lots, approximately 0.4 acres, covered patio, and craftsman-style homes. Enjoy the proximity to Tanger Outlet in charming downtown Locust Grove. The Rainier is $521,299. It offers 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, owner suite on the main level, 2 to 3 car garage, 3,537 square feet, and the homeowner association is $500 a year. There are preferred lender incentives that are currently $14,000. Enjoy the tour. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely home. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen, and behind me is the butler's pantry. There's tons of natural light in here. In front of me are some windows that are faced to the backyard and the covered patio. Listen, this is a very nice home. If you are moving into Georgia from out of state, maybe you're coming from Florida, California, or one of the Carolinas, you would love this particular neighborhood. This is a great community that is in Locust Grove, and it's close to shopping and eateries, and it's a great school district. But also this particular community has homes just like this one, the Rainier, that has that owner suite on the main level. And so if you are somewhat downsizing, or you're looking for a place that's more accommodating for you and your lifestyle, you don't have to climb steps. This is it. You have your owner suite on the main level, which has a beautiful walk-in closet that connects to the laundry mudroom. Just super duper convenient for your lifestyle. And then upstairs, of course, has that massive sized family room, and then it has the loft, and of course the bedroom, secondary bedroom. So listen, give me a call. My information is right here. You can call me, text me, email me. I will respond. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Please share, and also hit the notification button so that you can make sure that you're notified of every video that I drop. Listen, I tour these homes for you all. I'm your boots on the ground. You know, you don't want to go at it alone when you're talking about, you know, buying new construction. The builder has their representation, they have their sales agents in the office, but you need someone that will, you know, represent you. So I'm the person that would do that. So, you know, go ahead and give me a call. Let's get you started. You're wanting to move to Georgia, and you're having some thoughts about, where should I move, and what's a great area for me and my family. But I'm gonna tell you right now, you would love Locust Grove, you would love Henry County in general, and all of the cities here, but this particular community is really awesome and very accommodating. So let's go ahead and get you started. And listen, don't forget, like I said, to subscribe to my channel. That way you can make sure that you are always kept in the know on what's happening here in Henry County. So I can't wait to work with you, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.
Thank you.